Today, Roman James Estates give you Hall Avenue, a beautiful bay-fronted, 3-bedroom detached bungalow located in the heart of the South Shore area. Ground level of this property are 2 open-plan, spacious reception rooms that lead through into a modern, fully fitted kitchen and have double-glazed French doors taking you out onto a beautiful west-facing rear garden. And the rear garden is an exceptional west-facing space fit for all the family to enjoy, and paved patio complete with central Love Island-style fire pit. Also on the ground level is a double bedroom with dressing room complete and a modern 4-piece fully tiled family bathroom suite. To the first floor of the property are 2 further double bedrooms. Externally to the front, the property benefits from having off-road parking